Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change door pins on a 2000 Chevy Silverado. First, gather your essential tools like a pin punch, a hammer, and a C-clamp. You will also need a jack stand or some sturdy support to hold the door securely in place. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors that might be running into the door for easier access and safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient repair process. Now that your door is secure, it's time to remove the old, worn-out pins. Take your pin punch and a hammer, then carefully drive the old pins out from the hinge. Once the pins are out, gently remove the old bushings from the hinge assembly. Take a moment to inspect the hinge itself for any signs of damage or excessive wear, as this is a good time to address those issues. With the old components removed, let's install the new ones. First, insert the new bushings into the hinge, making sure they fit snugly. Next, carefully align the door so the hinge holes match up, then gently tap in the new door pins. Before fully seating them, apply a small amount of automotive grease to the new pins. This lubrication will ensure smooth operation and extend their lifespan. You're almost done. Now, reconnect any electrical components you disconnected earlier, such as power window or lock wires. Carefully test the door's opening and closing to ensure it operates smoothly and is properly aligned. Make sure the door latches securely and doesn't sag. A properly installed set of door pins will make your Silverado's door feel like new again, providing years of reliable service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.